Amelia playing Ghost. She turned on the Xbox and the TV by herself. And somehow went to Call of Duty. I don't know what she's doing. What a turd butt. Amelia, what are you doing? Move your hands off of the controller real quick.
Because I didn't do anything, guys.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Your boss. What are you doing? Whatever. Amelia. Amelia. What are you doing? Oh yeah, you think so? Oh really? Oh my goodness.
Oh, she's playing aliens.
Oh, you're playing aliens now? Yep.
Yeah. I got this. What are you doing?
Amelia, let go of the button. You turd. You think you're funny? You think you're funny? Hey, don't eat it. Amelia. Turdy.